Man of God, thank God. Now God send you here. No,
Bless you.
yeah, thank you. If at the sin, the kind sin why they commit here, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know whether God go still allow me enter heaven. I say I won't repent. I won't repent. You know,
Waiting be your sin. Waiting
God
you do.
have mercy.
as you see me like this, I dey follow woman. I dey follow up and down. I go follow am like this, follow am. I go dey pursue them. I won't repent. I won't repent. Hmm?
You see, my brother, you know, say this heaven where would they see? Heaven is for everybody. You understand? No get any kind of sin, no get any kind of sin where you say now where God no go fit forgive. Waiting they there be say you go determine within yourself, say you no go pursue woman again.
I no go pursue.
Woman again.
I no go pursue
Pray for
woman.
you. Nothing will happen in fact.
Yeah,
Just if I pray for you now,
I understand.
make sure say you no go see.
Abeg.
Jesus.
Chukwu na lóde na biko nekwanu biko. So abeg pray for me. Abeg pray for me. Hey pastor, pray for me.
Jesus is Lord.
Pastor, I dey come. Hey, fine girl, guilty. I dey call you since you no notice me. Look at me from head to toes. You know, see, You know, my name is Rinhu. I'm from Chingu. I go mellow you down. Like, if I mellow you down, you go enjoy them. Look at me. Okay, about fresh now. You know how much I buy this shoe from Lingo? No,
Jesus is Lord.
I'm very okay now. Me now from Jingo.
Don't be where pastor dey pray for you.
No.
As you look me.
Even make I tell you.
Say
Even
if you take care of me, I better shift my sleep.
Hell. Hi. Hi. Pastor, abeg. May we start where we stop, abeg. Abiko, Anna, Biko.
Right now, I know.
Biko, I no go do am again now. Abeg. Hey, abeg, fine girl, listen to me now. Listen.
Now, okay, like here, you can follow them, you are probably marker. Shebi you don't watch am and they sweet you. Please, just click follow. Share me, share can does on here.